Peeling or chipped paint can turn any wall into an eyesore. There are various reasons for why your paint chips, including improper preparation, moisture, or poor paint quality. We're going to show you easy ways to fix your chipped paint without having to repaint the entire room. To properly repair chipped paint, you'll need to remove the old paint first. Prep the space as you would with any paint project. First, lay out a drop cloth to protect your floor and cover your furniture. Holding a paint scraper at an angle, remove the biggest paint chips first, and then move to the smaller chips. A wire brush easily removes the smaller paint chips. Remove the surrounding area of paint by lightly sanding around the chip. When no more paint chips flake off, the area is ready for patching. After removing all of the chip paint, it's time to patch the wall. Using a putty knife, spread a thin layer of spackle to patch the area. Smooth it out into a thin layer and let it dry. Repeat the process until the patch is level with the existing paint, making sure each layer is given time to dry. Let the wall dry for 24 hours. It's important to make sure the patches are completely dry before sanding. If you sand too early, your wall might look uneven. You can use a fine grit sandpaper, 180 to 220 to smooth the patch. Hold the sandpaper flat against the wall and smoothing the edges where the spackle meets the wall. When the patched area feels smooth, the sanding is complete. The next step is to clean and prime the wall. Use a lint-free cloth to wipe any residual dust from the patched area. Roll on the primer until the patch is completely covered. Once the primer is completely dry, it's time to paint. If your repair was small, you'll only need to cover the area with new paint. For larger patch jobs, you may want to paint the entire wall. Roll your paint over the patched area and move outward. Then let your paint dry. Now your patch has disappeared and your wall is beautiful again. It's easy to repair your paint chipped wall, and now you know how to do it like a pro. Here's a list of tools and materials you'll need to properly repair your paint. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.